Ever wondered if dogs and dolphins speak the same language of love? Well, Gunnar and Delta are here to show you they do, and it's absolutely magical. In the sunny heart of Florida at the Dolphin Research Center, a unique friendship blossomed between a jovial golden retriever named Gunnar and a playful dolphin named Delta. It all started when Gunnar, just a fluffy puppy at the time, first laid his paws on the sandy shores of the dolphin enclosure. Delta, ever curious, swam closer, and it wasn't long before these two were frolicking at the water's edge, sharing a language all their own. Their days are filled with games of chase, where Delta splashes and Gunnar bounds along the shore, barking joyfully. Observers can't help but smile as these two showcase what true friendship looks like, bridging species with nothing but pure love and joy. On quieter days, you might find Gunnar sitting by the water, his tail wagging slowly as Delta gently nudges him with her nose, a gesture of deep trust and affection. It's a sight that not only melts hearts, but also reminds us of the incredible connections that can form when we least expect them. So next time you think about friendship, remember Gunnar and Delta. They don't just play together. They teach us that love knows no boundaries, no species, no limits. And in their world, the water's edge isn't a boundary. It's a meeting place for two hearts joined in joy and play.